See, NDA might have, at the central level, might have a lot to say, a lot to boast about, for what probably they have probably reasons to boast about. But as far as Andhra is concerned, Chandrababu's regime is concerned, there is nothing to boast about. Every promise that has been mentioned in his own manifesto is proven to be a lie. And for someone who's not rendered a single promise fulfilled out of the Super 6 or Super 7 that he's promised himself, and everything that has been promised is proven to be a lie, and where the plight of farmers, the plight of youngsters, the plight of every person living in poverty is at an abysmal low. The farmers are pissed off because they're not getting remunerative prices. The free insurance policy which was in existence during our regime has been removed. The timely input subsidy which was coming before the end of the season was also scrapped. And the production support which was coming in through Raitu Bharosa in our regime has also come to a halt. And the RBKs which were very much running during our regime at the village level, hand-holding the farmer at every stage, has become dysfunctional. Similarly, the students are not getting fees reimbursement. Every quarter what the fees reimbursement was given during our regime, and now since January, that is Jan, Feb, March, which was supposed to have been given in April, and since then the election code has come in, and since that day till this day, this June, if it were to come, it will be 6 quarters. And every quarter where the fees reimbursement was given then, now it has been 6 quarters where the fees reimbursement dues are still pending. The boarding and lodging costs, lodging charges also which were given to the students, starting every April, one installment is also left pending. And added to that, the plight of any poor going to the hospitals, where Arogyashri bills payable by the government to the network hospitals, which actually cost 300 crores every month, has been due for the past 12 months, which is 3,600 crores. And Arogya Ashara, which was also been given during our regime, which is another 400 crores, also stands due as of now. And today nobody, no poor person is in a position to go and claim Arogyashri and take free treatment in a network hospital, because the network hospitals have so much of dues that they're not treating poor people.